Helo, Harri Parri Dwi'n ffarmio fy ngwraig a'n rhieni ffarm ucheldir wrth ymyl Gaernarfon a ffarm tir isel ym Mhenllyn. Dyna'n rhedeg bychomagu stabilisar a defaid dwi'n gynnar mis Ionawr a Chwerfror. Defa Llyn a Llyn Croes, Suffolk, Seland Newydd. As farmers, we've got a big role in reducing our carbon footprint, helping the environment, but still produce food of high quality, high welfare standard. Being as efficient as we can on the farm, a big part of that is obviously having a better profitability to our business, but huge correlation to that is reducing carbon. Yeah, with the cattle and sheep grazing, that also sequestrates carbon there. Doing our own crops, we're using the muck we get from wintering the cattle inside, applying that to the land, building organic matter in it so we can grow more from less. Yeah, we try to do a whole farm approach, so we grow our own barley, oats and fodder beets for feeding to the livestock. Monitoring and measuring what we do on the farm, for us it just allows us to improve year on year, make gains, basically just getting better. We have to get better to be sustainable. Having a sustainable way of improving efficiency on the farm is crucial for profitability. It goes hand in hand with carbon footprint, and having that sustainability in the business of environment and production at the same time allows me to be sure that my kids or future generations will be still here able to farm the land.